Hello. So in today's video, we're going to be covering a tobacco strand and where you can find it, where you can buy it, information, websites that will give you that information. And then later on, this is actually going to be a series later on, we'll be planting it ourselves. And I'll show you how I do that. But don't forget, take your pipe, get your closest tobacco. And enjoy. Urban Farmer is the website I'm using. The strand that I'm using as an example is Pennsylvania Red. You can get 100 seeds per packet. This website will show you the how to grow the seeds, the days to maturity, the exact name, and a bunch of other information. You can go to the link in the description, and you can find this exact web page and pick whatever strand works for you. Do your own research on the website, but this is a great place.
Two 2,000 years later.
Check out the Urban Farmer website. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was informative and somewhat enjoyable. I'm excited to show you the next one. This is the introduction. There will be a more exciting one coming out next. Have a great day.